Hiya brownies and rainbows, hope you're having a great day. And so today in this activity we're going to be making a campfire, so you can sing your campfire songs at home or anywhere you like. So what you should have with you is some brown paper or normal paper, doesn't matter, some coloured paper or tissue paper, whatever you've got, some sellotape, some scissors and some pens to decorate with afterwards. You can also use some toilet rolls if you want to, it's up to you, you can do it however you want. So, to start with, you're going to get your brown paper and you're going to roll it up. You're going to roll it up as best as you can into a circle so that you can make your logs to go under the fire. So like that, so you can see through it. And then you're going to put a bit of sellotape on it to keep it shut. Just like that. Or if it's not quite staying shut, you can just put a bit more on. There we go. So do that 2 or 3 times if you've got enough paper. Or you can use a mixture of both. You could use some of these and some of these. It's all up to you. So I'm going to make another one. So now I've got 2 paper logs and I'm going to use one of these too. So with your pens, doesn't matter what colour you've got, I've got a brown one but that's the only one I could find. So you're going to draw lots of little decorations on it to make it look like a log. So I'm going to do some wood shapes as best as I can. I'm no artist, but you can make it look as pretty as you like. Draw flowers on it if you wanted to, or anything. So mine looks like that. I'm not sure how well you can see that. There we go. So I'm going to go do that on the other ones too. Make them all look like a log too. And the last one. And whilst I was doing them, I decided I was going to use some little ones at the side too, so I'm going to decorate them as well. So when you were making your paper ones, you can make as many as you want. So you can have a big bonfire, you can have a little one, doesn't matter. You can make it as personal as you like. There we go. So I've got all my logs here. Ooh, that one's coming apart already. There we go. We'll just put a bit more tape on that one. Right. So now we're going to make our flames. So if you've got paper, or I've got cards, but if you've got paper, you can cut out some flame shapes or just squiggly lines. So I'm going to do a bit of both. So there's my squiggly red line. And now I'm going to do a flame shape. So there's my flame shape, well, sort of flame. So if you don't have any coloured paper, you can use some white paper if you wanted to and colour it in. It doesn't matter. But I only had red paper and orange and yellow tissue paper, so that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut out some more flames. So you can pause the video to go and do some more flames if you like. So once you've cut out all your flames and all your pieces of paper, we're going to stick them all down now and make them into our little fire. So if you do, it doesn't matter if you don't, because you could just do it on the table, but I've got one last piece of card that I'm going to make everything onto. So I'm going to put that one there, and then I'm going to put one on top of it. You can arrange them however you like, and then if you stick the logs down to make them look like a bonfire would when we go on camp. So to stick my logs down, I've made my sellotape into a little loop so it'll stick on the card a bit better. There we go. There's my first log. And now I'm going to add my other ones on. And my third. And then you carry on with that until you've got all the bits you need to make it look like a fire. Oops, this one's not wanting to stick. There you go. So far, that's what mine looks like. Okay. So we add some more on, or as many as you've got. I'm going to put one more here. And then, can I squeeze that one? There we go. Cut this one in half. So if you want to make your logs shorter, you just got to cut them like that. Lost that one. There we go. Right, so that is the bottom of my log. Not log. Those are the logs to make the bottom of my fire. So now I'm going to get all my pieces of paper, all my flames, and I'm going to try and make them, I'm going to put lots of sellotape in the middle, and I'm going to stick them in there, and then you make it as tall as you want, as wild as you want, and then you can fiddle around with them until you've got all your flames in place. So pause the video and then you can go and do that, and then you can come back and sing some campfire songs. So hiya brownies and rainbows, hopefully you've managed to get all your fire in place. So that's what mine looks like. You can add some more, I ran out of paper so that's as much as I could do. So now you can go and sing your campfire songs whenever you like and wherever you like. Hope you've enjoyed it. Bye!